Cigarette lighter's not working. Glove compartment box not closing. But here's where it gets priceless. Air conditioner. Oops. Let's enjoy New Zealand. When you come to New Zealand, you need to chill. You're on island time. Lucky was supposed to be there at 8:05, according to the phone, but they came at 8:20. When I asked the shuttle driver why not 8:05, mate, he said I left at 8:05 at the office. So it's all a trick of perspective, and that's what we're going to see here.
Okay, so the biggest challenge here is to actually
Get your van.
book in and get the van and get in the van and drive out the gates. And we're going to time them, so let's start.
Okay, go for it. Let's see how long Lucky takes to check you in. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good.
How are you?
I'm good.
You have the Cowboys here. Did they warn you?
No, I know that you guys were coming, but
We've got security today for you guys, so we're keeping an eye on you.
So this is where you sign away your future, the children, the wife, everything that's hire driver. Lucky is giving us a discount and an upgrade as a courtesy. It's the Cowboys Perspective on our experience with Lucky, and we get a really good experience so far. Is your timer still running?
Still running, mate?
Whoa! This is awesome.
the insurance covers everything below this point. It's fully covered.
Right.
Anything damaged up, then you may be liable to pay for it because insurance never covers the roof.
Yeah, that's it.
Toilet
Super.
is just right over here.
This is yours, Cowboy.
Wonderful.
How are you going to sit on that one?
Wonderful. I'll make due.
It's all yours now.
Thank you for being awesome and
Never.
checking us in straight away. Love it.
No problem.
Great stuff.
Enjoy your day.
Whereabouts are you guys off to?
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too.
I'm a lucky lad.
Yes.
What do we need to do to get lucky, bud?
So that's half our concept is providing cheaper vehicles so you can spend your money elsewhere basically. So we do have vehicles like this which are state of the art for us, and we do have older vehicles which are cheaper, so it just depends on what you're after really. So we want you to be enjoying New Zealand, so the vehicles are serviced and regularly maintained, but they are older.
I'm going to let you in on a secret here because we want to hit the road now. We actually fall in love with them. I mean,
Yeah.
600,000 kilometers was the one we had in the South Island, and we thought, geez, what did we get ourselves into? And halfway through, we loved her. She just kept going.
Just a baby at 600, I think.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
So we're on a timer and we need
Yes,
to get out.
we need to go.
Yeah.
Thanks for looking
Nice
after
to
the
meet you
Cowboys.
guys.
We'll be
Enjoy
back.
your trip.
Okay, stop the clock.
Yeah.
So I've stopped it at 36 minutes and 26 seconds. But we did waste a lot of time ourselves. We got well out of there under 30 minutes easy.
Has Lucky service improved since the last time Cowboys used them?
With 2.5 hours, yes. It is not in season, but they were organized, they're ready, the vehicle was ready, waiting for us there, the service was impeccable.
So we haven't driven 2 meters. Okay.
There's Lucky.
Cigarette lighter's not working. Glove compartment box not closing. But here's where it gets priceless. Air conditioner. Oops.
You don't really need that dial at all.
No, but once you get it working, don't touch it. It might break. Just do what you're supposed to do. Are you good? Which side of the road driving do we driving
Left.
on?
Left.
This time around?
Left.
Okay.
Just a word of note. Shall we get a roll of duct tape?
Maybe it's a good idea.
They send us a nice messenger. They say, have a great time, guys.
So good on you, Lucky Rentals, for sending us a message and telling us have a nice time. We promise we won't break the van more.